extensions we have for saving HTML. We have the two types of extensions for saving HTML, that is HTML or HTML. Okay, so we have the two types of HTMLs. One is external HTML and internal HTML, right? What we are writing what we are writing outside of the body, be uh, that will be the external HTML. Okay, here I am placing the name, will be corresponding, that is form 1 here, so it will represent the outside of the HTML. Okay, so I am going to open the form tag here, form here. um Here inside of the form I am creating some label here. Okay, for upload I will take one input here directly, or else I'm taking directly here. Wait a second, I will directly take here label. Okay, label, here label name I'm taking upload image, or upload, upload resume I will take. Okay, upload resume. This will be, and here I'm taking input tag. So for text box, so we don't have the ending tag for input. Okay, input type will be file, which will accept only the file type. Okay, this is the required field I will take. Okay, so we will see. So execute this. Execute. So the upload will be taken here. So please select any here and select and place. So the default, what the file name is there, it will be represented here. So after that, I'm going to creating another field, that will be the date field. Okay, here the same label, date, date. Okay, date. So here I'm taking the input, the same thing, input type, here date. Okay, so type will be the date here. Okay, this is also required field. What is required field? I already said you the last class. The field should be, must and should be filled. If not, the form will be not submitted. Okay, so the date field. So here the date field. Okay, here the calendar. So the date has to be. You can select any of the date here. It will be shown here. Okay, so I will give the break here. BR, right? BR means it will break the line, and it will represent another field, sorry, another line. Okay, so here I'm using again the break. Already it is there. Wait a second, I will do one thing. Here also I will give the break. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, next another field, that will be the radio buttons. Okay, so it will be the male or female. Okay, So label, here I'm taking mail. So you can represent the type will be the, here I will give the break. Here you can give the type will be the radio. Okay. So it will be present as a radio button type. Radio. Okay. Directly you can take the radio here. So we don't have the end tag for input. Okay. So it will be like a radio. Okay. So here I'm not placing the break here. Okay. Here I will take break. Okay. Again. So I'm taking now the checkbox. Okay. Here label. Uh, Suppose the label will be here. I'm taking English. Okay. English input. Input type. The type will be check. Okay. Checkbox. So already we have seen for multiple options we will choose the checkbox. For only the primary we will use the radio buttons as well. Okay. So the checkbox I'm taking another thing, that is the label. The label one here Hindi. Okay. Okay. So another field I will take here the input. Here input type will be the checkbox. Okay. So here I will refresh the browser once. So here you can select here both. Okay. So it will not select, I think, the female as both. Okay. So radio button only the select only once. Turn off your mute yourself, Durga Prasad. Mute yourself, Durga Prasad. Okay. So next I'm writing the select. This is the drop down. I'm taking here. Okay. So inside of the select I'm taking the options. Okay. In options I'm taking VTech. Okay. So another options I will take here. It will be income. Here 10th. Okay. Here 10. Okay. So we will see in the drop down. So it will, you can select anything here. Okay. Already we have given only the three options, right? Here I will give the break. We are okay. So like this. So you can use as well text area or another alternate another tag we have, that is text area. You can adjustable this. Okay. Text area for address. Okay. For address I'm giving this address. Address. Okay. See this. So you can adjust it like anything using text area tag. Okay. So directly we will use the we will we are, directly we will using the button tag, right? Another alternate also we have, that is input. Okay, input type will be the submit. Type will be the submit here. So it is also one it is also one button. Okay, type will be the submit. This is the alternate tag for using button. Okay, here it is showing. Why it is showing here? We are not selected any file, so we have added their required field. So that's why it is showing like this. Okay, and here also we have added required. It we are while I'm going to submitting on this form, it will not represent it here. So you can select the date as well here. Okay, so here I didn't add anything, so that's why it is taken. Okay, is it clear everyone? How the fields we left over with the form actually? Is it clear, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Apart from this form, we have another tag that will be the marquee tag. Okay. Marquee tag. So here, marquee tag, I'm taking marquee directly here. So it will change, the text will be changes, or else the form also, it will move the left and right like that. Okay. So I'm taking the is a marquee tag. Okay. Marquee tag. So it is moving like this. Okay, so you can place here image also. Okay, I will take the image also here. Directly you can take the marquee here. Marquee. Okay, here you can add image, image src. Okay, image src, that will be login page. So it will also moving here and there, the image also. Okay, like that. Is it clear everyone how the marquee tag has to be supported? Is it clear, right? I think. Guys, it is clear? Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Can I,
Yes.
yeah, can I, I will share this in a code share, and I will connect again today EOD. Guys, up to here, I need with your local systems. And please don't copy my code and